Have you ever wondered that women should maintain the same dietary pattern throughout the month? The answer may surprise you. It is a big no. When it comes to the optimal health, syncing the diet, exercise, and sleep with the menstrual cycle is the key. So let's explore how we can sync our lifestyle with the menstrual cycle. First, we need to understand that what exactly is the menstrual cycle or what happens during the period.
So there are 4 phases of menstruating cycle. First phase is menstruating phase, second one is the follicular phase, and then we have ovulating and the luteal phase. So now we are going to discuss कि कौन से फेज में आप क्या खाना खा सकते हैं और किस तरह के सीड साइकिल को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. So first we discuss about the menstruating cycle. It is a phase which starts from the day 1, that is the day from which the period starts, and ends with the last day of the periods, may range from 2 to 7 days. That depends on an individual to individual. अब इस फेज में आप क्या खा सकते हैं? यूजुअली इस फेज में क्रैम्पिंग, इरिटेशन, फिटीकनेस फील होता है. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस फेज आयरन रिच फूड्स, कैल्शियम रिच फूड्स, कंफर्टिंग फूड्स एंड एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी फूड खाना चाहिए, जैसे कि खिचड़ी, वॉलनट्स, पम्पकिन सीड्स, फ्लैक्स सीड्स, सूप, स्ट्यूज जैसे गर्म और ईजिली डाइजेस्ट होने वाला खाना खाना चाहिए. एंड अपना वाटर इनटेक इंक्रीज कर लेना चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन गो फॉर कैमोमाइल टी फॉर द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बैलेंस. सो इस फेज में विच सीड्स वी कैन हैव, दैट इज पम्पकिन सीड्स एंड द फ्लैक्स सीड्स. So next is follicular phase. Follicular phase is a phase that starts when the period gets over and ends with the ovulation, and this usually take around 7 to 8 days. So इस टाइम पे क्योंकि आपके एस्ट्रोजन लेवल्स जो हैं वो राइज कर रहे होते हैं, तो you feel more energetic. So during this period, one must incorporate their green veggies, lean proteins, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, legumes, and for some days आप carb free meals भी ले सकते हैं. And plus you can indulge with more protein intake and the omegas. So in the follicular phase, you can again continue with the pumpkin seeds and the flax seeds. Next is the third phase, that is ovulation phase. So this is usually of 3 to 4 days when egg is releasing, and usually this happens on like 13th, 15th or 17th day of the cycle. That depends on the length of the cycle. So during this phase, the energy levels are at its peak. So during this phase, the energy levels are at its peaks. So one can indulge with the raw veggies, cool foods like smoothies, all the fruits like amla, guava, jamun, or the berries. And again, in this phase, the seeds, one can inculcate with the pumpkin seeds and the flax seeds, along with the whole grains. Next is the last phase, that is luteal phase. So this is the longest phase and the most difficult phase. This phase begins when the ovulation phase ends, like this begins from the 16 to 28 day, or if the cycle is of 32 days, then this can be 18 to 32 days. So during this phase, the cravings, mood swings, irritability, bloating, anxiety, anger issues are there. Why this happens at this phase? Because in this phase, usually estrogen decreases and takes over by the progesterone hormone, which leads to the mood swings. So in order to support this phase, women needs more food, that is more comforting food, more carb intake in the food. So in order to support this phase, women need more food, that is increase in the carb intake by indulging with the comforting high calorie dense food like sweet potato, avocados, whole grains, magnesium rich foods, sunflower seeds and the sesame seeds. So but it is always to be avoided that packaged and processed food should not be taken during this period of time.
So syncing your diet with the menstrual cycle is important. ये सिर्फ आपको cramping, cravings, mood swings को handle करने में help नहीं करेगा, but also weight loss में भी help करेगा and आपके periods भी regularize करेगा. मगर यहाँ पे ये जानना इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि दिस प्रोसेस मे टेक सम टाइम टू वर्क, लाइक मिनिमम ऑफ 3 months. सो पेशेंस इज़ द की हेयर. So I hope this information will help you. Thank you so much, and post your queries in the comment section. Happy to help you. Thank you.